Stop scrolling for a second, look at your phone. It's probably encased in mass produced plastic, right? It's cold, it's generic, and honestly, your tech deserves better. Welcome back to the studio. Today, we are diving into the cozy tactile world of crochet mobile covers. Whether you are looking for a project to stock your Etsy shop or searching for that perfect Shopify hero product, these designs aren't just accessories, they are statements. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you are going to see exactly why the soft tech trend is taking over 2026. First up, let's talk about the minimalist. In a world of a digital noise, there is something so grounding about organic cotton and linen blend. For your online shop, these are bestsellers. Think cream, sage, sand, and muted olives. We are looking at the tight, sturdy stitches like the thermal stitch and waistcoat stitch. Why? Because they offer actual protection. When you are listing these on Shopify, highlight the shock absorbent nature of the yarn. It's style that actually works. Now let's flip the script if your brand is all about main character energy. These three designs are your bread and butter. Checkered patterns are still dominating the Etsy search algorithm. But let's level it up. We are seeing a massive surge in tropical crochet using varied yarn to create a lava lamp effect and 3D applique. From a tiny crochet succulent garden on the back of a case to puff sleeves that look like miniature puff jacket. These are the designs that go viral on TikTok and Reels. They are Instagrammable. People don't just buy these to protect their phones, they buy them to start a conversation. The biggest shift we have seen recently is to move forward. Wearable tech, a mobile cover isn't just a cover anymore, it's tiny handbag. Integrating crossbody strap or whistles into your crochet designs add instant value. You can charge a premium for a mobile pouch compared to a simple sleeve. Notice the detail here. Lobster claw, wooden beads, and even integrated slot for credit cards. If you are selling on Etsy, emphasize the hands-free lifestyle. It's perfect for festival, quick grocery runs, or anyone who try to lose their phone in the depth of the giant tote bag. Finally, the reason to sell these online sustainability. Every stitch you see in this slideshow represents an alternative to the plastic waste of the tech industry. When you market these, you are selling slow fashion, you are selling something handmade, repairable, and unique. So, which of these designs sparked a light bulb moment for you? The sleek, minimalist leaves, or the aquatic 3D strawberry garden? Let me know in the comments. If you are ready to stock your shop, I have linked some pattern inspiration and my favorite durable cotton yarn below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more designs.